watch this video to learn how to get your website ready for AI shopping. There's a lot of conversation currently around e-commerce sites and online shopping sites. They might have stores in the high street as well. But the online side of it now, that all the chat is around getting sites optimized for AI discovery. So how do you go about actually getting your products on your website and, of course, the website itself and your brand discovered by AI tools like ChatGPT? Well, one thing you can do is run an in-depth report using AI, and ChatGPT is particularly good for this, and we will see why in a second. Now, what you need to do is create a very detailed prompt. Now, I've got an example of a detailed AI readiness report here, shopping readiness report, and you can see from the length of it and just scanning it there that it does go into a considerable amount of detail. So this is just the prompt before we actually get the report, which is going to enable us to take actions on a particular shopping website. So we can actually use Copilot here. So when you open a document now in Copilot, it automatically presents a nice summary for you. And so we can see that this document outlines a comprehensive AI shopping readiness report for the website chunkychili.com, focusing on its optimization for AI tools. The report evaluates multiple aspects of the website's content and structure to enhance its visibility and effectiveness in AI generated responses. So that's key. So people are using AI tools to ask questions about goods, products, and services. So from a business perspective, it's really important that you surface that you are discovered in these AI tools. And the report contains information about AI readiness. So the report emphasizes the need for well-structured content that can surface in our responses, including the implementation of featured snippets and optimized headings, technical SEO and crawlability. It highlights the importance of a well-structured website for AI agents to crawl effectively, suggesting improvements in technical SEO elements like robots, text, and internal linking. So, what do you do once you've got your prompt? Well, you go over to ChatGPT. Now, what I've done here is I've used the projects feature of ChatGPT, similar reports to the AI shopping readiness report and others. I keep in a project area, a workspace area called WebDog Reports. So within this area, I've got a whole bunch of example prompts, for example, for illustration purposes here. I've got audits that have been carried out, reports that have been carried out for reference purposes of ChatGPT. And it helps me from an organizational point of view because everything's in one place. And then on top of that, I've got instructions here in terms of the reports themselves. Actually, I need to update this because these fees are incorrect. So I think I'll just remove that for the time being. Okay. So you can see that you can quite easily make changes to the custom instructions there. We'll just get rid of that typo there whilst we're here. Okay, so some examples just to actually show you whilst we're here. These are sort of examples that you can have, and might as well add in also like AI shopping readiness report into there. So you're kind of like briefing ChatGPT what it's going to be doing in this particular project area or in this workspace area. Now, one of the things that has recently been introduced is that within this area, you can actually use deep research now. So that's crucial when it comes to these reports because it allows you to have a more in-depth report. So all you need to do is we'll go to one that I've run previously because this took about 8 minutes, I think, to run. So you can go to your chat now. All the past chats are held within your WebDog reporting area. For some reason, that's not loading. So let me just see if I can refresh that to get that back. There we go. So I've got that back. So this is what I ran earlier, and we can actually see how long it took here. So yeah, 8 minutes there. And you can see it's comprehensive because it has actually used 33 sources and it's actually referenced 133 websites. And from those, it has picked 33 sources, and full citations of those are in the report. So once I've actually got my prompt within the project area, I don't need to put in the whole prompt because I can just state that and it'll reference the project files. It'll reference the prompt that I've already uploaded. So you can actually, let's just confirm that. So if I just go back here and go back to here and project files, you can see here we go, sample prompt for AI readiness report. So all I need to say is create a AI shopping readiness report for, and I just need to drop in the website. And then when you're using deep research, ChatGPT comes back with a number of questions just to confirm it's going to produce exactly what you want and do the right level of research. So are there specific competitors? No. Do you want a particular product category or whole range? So I've said whole range. Do you want the tone of the report to remain neutral and analytical or promotional persuasive? So I said neutral and analytical. And it's asking about data. So I say include as much data as possible. And then you can see from the length and the headings in the report, it's hugely comprehensive and everything is referenced here. And as we stated before, it is a sort of like combination of getting the website ready for AI discovery in general terms, and it's also got all the technical side as well, as you can see. Even references PR opportunities here, so sort of goes off-site as well as the website itself, if you like. Social media is looked at, third-party review sites are looked at, which we're just getting into now. Hugely detailed. We're not even halfway through yet. So let's just carry on skimming through content depth, look, and then we've got content gaps and opportunities, AI visibility testing, so some actual testing what actually shows up with various queries here that are being asked and what is actually surfaced. So that's like a really good test. It's basically kind of like woolen toys that we're talking about here. So hence the organic cotton finger puppets UK search there. And then we have got section 7, so brand mentions and digital footprint, still more and more content, social media activity, as I mentioned. And then we are going to get to the final section after conversion journey for AI directed visitors. So it's even going to guide visitors, provide advice on guiding visitors through the site once they're there. To what arguably is the most important section of all, because that is recommendations and actions. So here we go, conclusion and prioritized recommendations. So in the prompt, I suggested that we have quick wins over 1 to 2 weeks. We have medium-term improvements over 1 to 2 months, and then also longer-term strategic actions over 3 to 6 months. So we've got plenty of work to do there on this website. And there are the sources listed. If you want the full list of the sources and indeed the thinking behind deep research, then you can go back to the top here and select this line, and then you can see how the report was actually put together. So the purpose of this video really is mainly to show how you can get any business that has an online presence, particularly selling products, but also selling services as well, how you can get them AI ready. And as a sideline of that, just sort of showed you a few features around ChatGPT that you can use for this. And indeed for similar reports. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.